If you and your spouse share a mortgage, here's a question most couples never stop to ask. If something happened to one of you, could the other actually keep the house on one income? For a lot of couples, the honest answer is no, and that's exactly the gap we're going to close today. I'm Billy Jordan, 20 years in insurance, and for 13 of them, I was the one local agent a national financial program trusted to send their families to. So I'll give you the straight version, not a sales pitch. If that's useful, do me a quick favor and tap the like button. It helps these honest breakdowns reach other couples with a mortgage. So let's talk about why this is a both of you decision. Here's what a lot of couples miss. When you bought the house, you qualified for that mortgage on two incomes, but the bank doesn't cut the payment in half if one of you is gone. The full payment still shows up every single month. So whoever is left is suddenly carrying a two-income mortgage on one income on the hardest day of their life. That's the trap, and it doesn't matter who makes more. If losing either income would put the house at risk, then both of you need protecting. Here's how I set couples up, and it's simpler than people expect. Each of you gets your own level term life insurance policy, sized to the mortgage, for the years you'll be paying it off. They're separate policies, but they work as a team. If either one of you passes away, the surviving spouse gets a tax-free payout big enough to pay off the home, so they're never choosing between keeping the house and keeping the lights on. A couple of things to know. First, two policies are usually very affordable because you're each buying based on your own age and health while you're young and healthy. Second, don't make the mistake of only covering the main earner. If a stay-at-home spouse passes, the working spouse suddenly has to pay for childcare and everything that partner did. That's a real cost too. Protect both. Let me put a real number on it. A healthy 45-year-old protecting a $400,000 mortgage might run around $75 a month, and your partner would have their own policy based on their age and health. That's an example. Your numbers depend on each of you, but for most couples, it's a small price to know the survivor keeps the home no matter which one of you it is. So if you've got a mortgage together, let's take 15 minutes and look at both of you. Get you each the right coverage so neither of you is ever left carrying the house alone. It's free, no pressure. The link to book is in the description and the pinned comment below. You bought the home together. Let's make sure you can both always keep it. I'm Billy Jordan. I'll see you in the next one.